What's up, everyone? In this video we're going to be installing WXWidgets, which is a cross-platform GUI library for C++. We're going to be going through the process and building from source. Why from source? Well, I tried downloading the Windows binaries and it just didn't work. Anyway, so we're going to be downloading the zip. Once you downloaded the zip, you can put it. Don't download this version. I tried. There's something wrong with the header files. There's some issue that prevents it from working in Visual Studio 2019. So get version 3.14 or newer. You download the zip, put it anywhere on your system. I put it into this wxWidgets directory on in Dev Studios, C Dev Studios wxWidgets. Right click and extract to this particular directory. I put it here. Navigate to the build folder and MSW, Microsoft Windows. Find the solution file. WXVC16 SLN, double click. It's going to open the solution. You go into build, batch build, and click the build button. It's going to take about a half an hour. I've already built the project, so everything is up to date for me, but once the build is complete, you just close out Visual Studio. Once you closed out your Visual Studios, next we need to define an environment variable. So this environment variable will hold the location of where your compiled libraries are. It makes it easier to work with in Visual Studios. Next, open Visual Studio and create a new desktop application. You can name it whatever you want. I'll name mine WX7. You can delete all the boilerplate classes it creates for you. We don't need them. And delete or clear out the CPP file. Right click on the project, go to properties, make sure configuration and platform are selected as all. So for example, all configurations, all platforms. The changes that we are going to make, the first change we're going to make impacts everything. You go to general and additional include directories. You need to specify the following. Hit apply. Next, we're going to be modifying the linker properties. So for that, we need to either select Win32 or x64. So the x64, for x64, we're going to be specifying the additional library directories. So you go to linker, linker general, additional library directories. We specify this over here, and for Win32, we specify this over here. And that's about it for the project configuration. Next, we are going to go to the WXWidgets website and copy the Hello World application. Once that is pasted in, you could select your architecture here and right-click, build. Okay, that was done. And there you go, you have your Hello World application here. You can exit out of there. To test the 64-bit version, just select 64-bit and just start the application. It'll build, and when it's done, it's going to start the application. There you go. Well, I hope this video helped you out. Please consider giving me a like, and if you like the content, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.